Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you July's box from Piper and Poppy Designs. Yay! Also, I have a special box to talk to you guys about after we check this out. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Alrighty then, happy Tuesday everyone! It is the start of a new week. As you can see, I channeled into my inner mermaid today for my look. And I threw my wig on today. Yes, I straightened her. Because her curls kind of met a demise, so now she's straightened for right now until I motivate myself to curl her again. So yeah, right now she's straight. Wig is from Mermaid Wigz, by the way. Details will be in the description bar down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this month's Piper and Poppy subscription box. I also have a very special box to talk to you guys about after we dive into this. So let's go ahead and see what we have for the month of July. Okay. So you guys know I really do love this brand because not only are they cruelty free, they are organic and vegan. Everything is handmade, all natural. I absolutely, love this brand. So let's go ahead and dive into what we got for this month. This month's theme was based on 4th of July, Independence Day, of course, and the first thing we have are some mini soaps. These are so cute. They are in the shape of stars, and I gotta get them out. And they are red, white, and blue. So cute. So cute. I love these mini soaps because you can put them out on a dish, by your sink, and they just give like a nice little, decor or whatnot. And these ones kind of smell like they have like a cinnamon scent to them. Either way, they smell really good. So those are the mini soaps. We got another headband. Yeah. You guys know I am a sucker for some headbands. Hold on, let's fix this. Okay. You guys know I am a sucker for some headbands. This one is Stars and Stripes, red, white, and blue. It was perfect for this month. So cute. I'd wear it all year round because I can. What's going on here? Man or mermaid wants to act up. Alright, we got another loofah. Can never go wrong with these mini loofahs. These are really good if you travel a lot. You just put it in your bag and just go. You don't have to worry about that big old bulky loofah to take around with you. These ones are great. Alright, next we have is the Firecracker Whipped Scrub. 100% organic, 100% vegan, 100% handmade, and you get 8 ounces in this jar. They have a little saying on the side here. Let's go ahead and read that. It says, "What are the best things about California? If we had to guess, we'd say the sea, the sun, and the beautiful wildlife. That's what we had in mind when we created our natural skincare and accessory business. Having both been raised for the most part in California, it was important to us to create products that include and supported natural beauty as well as a focus on being healthy and free from chemicals as possible." And I absolutely love that about this brand. This one right here has hydrogenated vegetable oil, sugar, water, coconut oil, glycerin soap-based scent, and color. It does have a red, white, and blue color to it. Firecracker, that's so cute. I love the name of that. Felicia is like taking over today. I don't like it. She can go away. Ooh, this smells really good. Y'all, this smells like a vanilla cupcake. It smells delicious. I love using these whipped scrubs because they really get your skin exfoliated. Do not eat this, by the way. You do not want to eat this. This is not for consumption. because it has the exfoliation in it with the sugar particles, and it just gets all that dead skin off while you're in the shower, and it is just great. I have the one that I got in last month's box upstairs in my shower, and I absolutely love it. I might have to swap them out because I really do like the scent. Granted, last month smelled amazing too. Alright, let me wipe my finger off. Oh no, Terrell, don't go anywhere. Don't frown. Alright, like I said, do not eat, not for consumption. Alright, if my angle is bad, I am sorry. I'm just at the point where I'm just like, I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Alright, and we also have the Vanilla Scrub and Salve. The scrub has coconut oil, sugar, Tahitian vanilla fragrance oil, and the salve has coconut oil, candelia wax, skin safe color, Tahitian vanilla fragrance oil as well. Not for consumption, do not eat. I am actually going to put this salve into the giveaway that I got for coming up for my 3,000 followers on Instagram. Once I hit 3,000 followers on Instagram, I have a huge amount of products to give away. So yeah, but I'm going to keep the lip scrub. Sorry. This smells so good. Love, love, love a good lip scrub. And y'all know I am all about some lip scrubs. So that is that. That is the vanilla scrub and salve. I am going to keep the salve in this little pouch, and then we're going we'll put it in the giveaway drawer. So that is not a bad box for the month of July. I think the theme was really cute. It fit the month perfectly with the red, white, and blue. Let's go ahead and talk about the prices for this box. The whipped scrub is $12. The vanilla lip scrub, the firecracker whip scrub is $12. The vanilla lip scrub is $3, and the salve is $3, so it's $3 a piece. The mini soaps are $6, and the headband is $7. Now, different payment options for this box are as follows. Right now, this box right here, dang, Melissa. Right now, this box costs $30. You get everything that's included. I do have a discount code that you guys can use. It will be in the description bar down below. You will be able to save 20% off of your box. August box is available to order. That right now is $25. As of August 1st, it will go up to $30. I already have August box, and trust you me, you're not going to want to miss it. They also have now a 3-month option where you can pay for 3 months worth of boxes for $60, or you can pay for the year for $240. And my discount code works for all of those. It is right here at the bottom of the screen. Also, I'll put it in the description bar as well. I do not earn any money on that discount code whatsoever. It is there for you guys to save you some money. So, now that we looked into this box, let's go ahead and talk about the box that's very special to me. Okay guys, it's time to get real. The reason why I want to put this announcement in the Piper and Poppy unboxing is because I have collaborated with Piper and Poppy Designs. Yeah, your girl's got a collaboration box that is available, and it is right here. In this box, you get a lavender sugar scrub, not a whipped one, a regular lavender body sugar scrub. You get a lavender makeup setting spray. You get a vanilla lip scrub, a vanilla lip balm, and you get unicorn mini soaps that are vanilla scented. Also, as an exclusive to this box, you get a unicorn makeup bag. How awesome is that? That is so cool. I was so blown away by the girls at Piper and Poppy to come to me and ask me if I wanted to collaborate with them. And I was just like, oh yeah, I will. And when they told me to pick the theme, the first thing I thought of was what you guys would think when you see me. And when you see me, you think of unicorns, makeup, and lavender, because you guys know lavender is my jam when I go to bed at night. So I could not have thought of a better way to bring all that together and have you guys, and bring you guys a box that not only that I enjoy, that you guys will enjoy as well. It is just an amazing experience so far, and I am just blown away by the amount of love and support that I've gotten for this box. The reason why you guys are now hearing about it is because the box went live over the weekend. So I didn't know if I wanted to come on here and just like announce it all willy-nilly, but when I thought about doing my unboxings, because you guys know my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm are here and I do those, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and talk about my box and do the Piper and Poppy box by itself. So I thought that was really cool. So yeah, like I said, you get a lavender body sugar scrub, you get a lavender makeup spray, a vanilla lip scrub and lip balm, 6 unicorn mini soaps that are vanilla scented, and an exclusive unicorn makeup bag to this collection. You cannot buy this makeup bag on their site. And the unicorn mini soaps are actually exclusive to this collection because the ones that they sell on their site are cotton candy scented. These ones are vanilla scented. So I am just so excited, and you get all of that for $30. How amazing is that? Also, to save you guys some more money, you can use my discount code and get 20% off the box. And that does include shipping. I did forget that in before when I was talking about prices. All their items include shipping. So I am just like over the moon ecstatic. I will put all their information in the description bar below. Go check out their site. Go follow them on Instagram. Go follow them on Facebook. Go get my box. It's an amazing thing. I love this brand, and I am so thankful, so blessed, so honored for them to collab with me, even though this brand just started. So I'm just over the moon. It's like, oh, I'm kicking myself in the feels. Oh, I can't ruin the makeup. Can't ruin the makeup. I done kicked myself in the feels. It's an amazing experience. So like I said, I will put all their information down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check out the box. And yeah, make sure if you do grab it, and when you get it, put a review on their site. That'll mean more to me and to them more than anything. So yeah, that's my big announcement that I have for you guys. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. But yeah, don't forget, we are still gunning for 1,000 family members, so I can give away not 1, not 2, but 3 prizes for you guys. All that information will be down in the description bar below, so make sure you check it out. And that's all that I have for you. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see on with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because unfortunately, YouTube was destined to make that notification bell a thing, so that way you know when I'm posting, even though we know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye! kicked myself in the feels. Kicked myself right in the feels on that one. Whew, I had to make sure I didn't mess up the makeup. There, she needed a good brushing. Hashtag wig life. I need to start wearing her more often. I really do. Let's fix this. Let's do this. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you July's